What's up, guys? Just making a really quick kind of garage video. I'm working on my wife's Toyota Sienna, and it's the generation where the lenses over the headlights get really foggy. This model is a 2013 limited, so the headlights had never been treated before. They were super foggy. I bought this from the local Walmart. It comes with a small applicator and a little sanding pad. So you use this, it's got two sides, just to remove as much of the haze as you can. It's done a really good job actually so far, but if you look really closely, it's caused some of its own haze. So what it's doing basically is abrading the surface and setting it up for the finishing pad of the product here, which is supposed to go on. The instructions indicate it's supposed to be one wipe only. So I don't know, we'll see. Let's check it out and see what happens. Now this is before, and I should say before the treatment of the final step. They were completely fogged. I mean, like completely yellowed out. So this looks already 1,000 times better, but let's see what it looks like after. All right, boys and girls, the final result is in. Here are the results. Look at that. That looks like a brand new lens, in my opinion. I speak for anybody out there. At the top, you can actually see the bulb. You can see the detail at the bottom. I never noticed that before, to be honest. Now this is the driver's side. I'm going to take it over to the passenger side. There's that on the outside. So usually anybody who knows these lenses, you know, it's the middle that usually gets the haziest. I cannot believe the clarity. Look at the top of the lens where it hazes up. Looks all brand new. Now the only thing in the instructions, you guys, it says just to keep the car, or to keep the lenses dry for 24 hours. Most likely it's a ceramic product. So you use the pads to kind of scuff the surface up, and it'll freak you out a little bit, or it did me, because the surface actually looks kind of hazy. And then when you coat it, it looks brand new. This is an amazing way to restore the lenses. And I've used Plastix before, you know, which is like a plastic polish, you guys, and it does remove maybe 70%, 65, 70% of the stuff, but there's always that little bit left behind. This takes the rest of that haze away. The only thing I did not like about it was that you had to use the pads, and it requires a lot more of the elbow grease. So, you know, basically bring your muscles, prepare to sweat, and it will come out. But depends on how deposited the lenses are. Mine were pretty bad. So I'm really happy with the results, you guys. And I would recommend this product to anybody. Again, this is the passenger side. I just wanted to show you from the outside. That's amazing, man. As they used to say when I was at UCLA, better living through chemistry.